Okay, we're live. This is Miami. Just kidding. I used that joke on my Instagram. We're actually in New Jersey at the BMW headquarters, and I just got handed the keys to the brand new G90 BMW M5 for about a week to literally do whatever I want. Like, we're gonna go get haircuts, go get coffee, maybe pick up some friends, some family. This thing is gonna be absolutely all over the road for the next 7 days, to my knowledge. It's like Christmas in April. I said that joke already too. Miami blue? We're going to get into the spec. We're going to get into all that. I'm going to do a full breakdown on this car. But right now, I just wanted to tell you that I have a G90 M5, and these are my initial driving impressions on the car that many were skeptical was too heavy to be a true M car. Let's find out. Welcome to the Whistle Motors YouTube. It's not every day you get to do this. Doesn't really feel real. But we are in a brand new G90 M5, and I'm driving home. I'm taking this car from the headquarters in New Jersey. BMW USA headquarters in Woodcliff, New Jersey, across the bridge, back to New York. It may weigh 5,400 pounds, but damn it, this thing moves. You don't feel that. It's a big car, but I'm telling you, it moves. It moves. This thing moves like Derrick Henry off a handoff to the house. These seats coddle me like a sad teenager after our first heartbreak. I mean, it's just good. It's great. It's not good, it's great. Yes, this thing is a full-on performance M car, but it handles bumps in the road with this incredible suspension. Like, it was a luxury car, to be honest with you. It's super smooth and balanced and stable, which is, I guess, what you want in a performance car. But going over bumps is like, it takes it like nothing. Very, very good suspension. And because this car has the battery, it does have regenerative braking. Wasn't a fan at first, don't really mind it that much now. You just don't have to use the brakes. The car essentially slows itself down. So far, so good. Again, you can't stop thinking about the color on this car. Like, you just know you're driving around. Everybody's head turns. Everybody. This thing looks like an absolute spaceship right now. And this one's been optioned with the Bowers & Wilkins sound system experience, which is absolutely exquisite. If YouTube didn't copyright me, you would see just how I get down with the Latino music. I was doing the bachata, you know. Just go over to my other socials for that. Go check that out. I was familiar with this BMW interior layout thanks to the time I spent with the XM the other week, and the only word I have to describe it is premium. Premium materials, premium fit and finish, premium looking. This thing has the potential to unleash 727 horsepower with the electric motor up front. 585 of that comes from that traditional gasoline engine. Incredible, incredible car. Off the rip, I mean, it's comfortable. It's just, this is an incredible, incredible car. And when you get it in a spec like this, you really have to ask yourself a question: do I ever need to buy another car again? When you have one like this, that does it all. And there you have it. The car is back in the shop, and it is absolutely filthy. So the first thing I'm gonna do is give this M5 a proper wash. Of course, make sure you share and subscribe to the Whistle Motors channel so you don't miss a thing, and drop a comment below and let me know what you want me to do with this M5 now that I have it for a little bit. It definitely feels like I'm dreaming. Big whistle.